Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Friday 29th of May. Looking at yesterday's markets, we had data come out locally. The private capital expenditure number came in at minus 1.6%. That was better than the forecast of minus 2.6. The Aussie USD pair traded inside the previous day's trading range and finished the session pretty much where it started, with the Aussie USD now currently at 66.30. From the US, we saw the US dollar lose more ground against most of the majors yesterday, as the prelim GDP number came in at minus 5%, slightly worse than the forecasted. The euro was the best performer against the greenback. The euro USD has now established itself above that 110 level and currently trading at 110.70 at the moment. All right, that was all that happened in terms of data yesterday. So let's jump in and have a look at the chart of the day. First of all, let me show you yesterday's chart of the day for a moment. This is what I showed you yesterday, the CAD yen. We were waiting for a setup. Now, let me show you this morning's. It's the CAD yen again, and if you notice, the setup has been complete now. We have produced the inside candle situation, which is a reversal pattern. So in other words, the market's coming up, has produced a reversal pattern, so now the probability that it may bounce down is much higher than simply trading at the level itself, which could be a resistance point. Okay, so what we can do now is we can place our pending order. The little yellow line here, which I'm just going over, indicates the level. As soon as we break the low of the inside candle, that is our trigger to sell, and then basically we are sellers inside the CAD yen on a daily timescale. Now, if it doesn't come down and breaks the high first, you need to make sure that you cancel out your pending order, as the setup would not be valid, and in that case nothing will happen and it may continue to go up, but it saves us from getting into a lower opportunity trade. So there you have it. This morning, CAD yen daily timescale is our chart of the day, and we have a pending order in place. Let's see if we can get triggered into this particular trade. All right, what's happening for the final session of the week? We have this evening at 10:30 from Canada, GDP numbers are due out there, and then the only other significant release happens at 1 o'clock in the morning from the US. At Fed Chair Powell is due to speak. That wraps up the week, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend. I'll speak to you on Monday for the weekly market analysis. Bye for now.